Introduction to HTML5. HTML5 is a markup language for structuring web content. It is often used with CSS and JavaScript to create dynamic websites. The NBSP entity in HTML5 represents a non-breaking space. Understanding in HTML5 is represented as in HTML5. It is a special type of space that prevents an automatic line break at its position. Example, Hello World. The browser will treat Hello World as a single word. Practical applications of nbsp. nbsp can prevent the browser from breaking up specific pieces of information that should be on the same line. It can be used to create multiple spaces between words. Example, Hello World creates 3 spaces between hello and world. Tips and common mistakes with nbsp. Creates a non-breaking space, which means the text will not wrap at the location of that space. Using multiple nbsp entities can cause horizontal scrolling if text doesn't fit the container width. It's not recommended to use nbsp for indentation or creating large gaps of space. CSS should be used for this purpose. Conclusion: nbsp in HTML5 is a powerful tool for controlling line breaks and spacing within text content. It should be used appropriately and with understanding. It is not for creating layout or design effects. For these purposes, CSS should be used.